The Jordan Legacy 312 Low first dropped in 2018 and has been a standout hybrid ever since, blending classic Jordan elements into one unique design. Its newest colorway takes inspiration from the Air Jordan 6's iconic wide infrared look, giving fans a nostalgic yet fresh option. Developed with insights from Chicago's Don C., the shoe features a heritage-inspired build with mixed materials across the upper. The color scheme mixes white, infrared 23, black, and cool gray, with a bold infrared accents highlighting the vamp strap, spine, and tongue. Even the visible Air unit pays homage to the Air Jordan 3, connecting this hybrid to Jordan's rich history. Official photos showcase the striking design, but Nike has yet to confirm the release date. Rumors point to a possible launch in April 2026. The Legacy 312 Low continues to stand out as a versatile option for collectors and sneaker enthusiasts, blending retro touches with modern style in one iconic silhouette.